This tutorial will cover how to use the laser rotary tool to engrave a water bottle. If you haven't seen the intro tutorial, click the link in the description. We first need to remove the printing bed and slide the rotary tool to the back right corner, making sure to drop the bar into the slot. Plug in the rotary tool, fasten the screws, and turn the laser off and on again so that it recognizes the rotary tool. Watch for this spin to ensure it's connected. Measure the diameter and height of the water bottle. Secure the bottle with the top facing the right and push down on the tab to lock in place. Open a new document in CorelDRAW. With the rotary tool, we have to change the dimensions of the canvas to the dimensions of the bottle, so we use a calculator to do the following calculations. Input those numbers. You can imagine the bottle rolled down on the screen in this orientation. This would be the circumference and this would be the height. Now we're going to select the text tool, click and add the text we want, and adjust the size and font. We're going to rotate it 90 degrees to make it horizontal on the bottle. We have to use negative numbers to get it to rotate clockwise. Now we can go to File and Print. We're going to set the material to painted metal. Make sure it's set to rotary and set the diameter to the measurement we took before. Hit Apply and OK. In the laser program, move the image to the height we wanted on the bottle. Rotate the bottle so that the center of the image will be on the side facing up. Estimate runtime and hit Go. Finally, make sure to put everything back, and then you can marvel at your work.